Welcome to today's story. It's called Desk Setup of an Artist. Version 1 though. First item from my desk, that would definitely be the iPad. And for digital illustrations, I have been using Procreate and I'm loving it. And yes, all the works mostly that you see, it will be in Procreate. And yes, for drawing I use this Apple Pencil. This is Apple Pencil 1. I've been extremely happy with it. Like, I have had no issues literally. But just for the charging, probably a magnetic strip would have been nice. Talking about pencils, how can I miss charcoal pencils? Yes, my desk will always have a set of them, and whenever I'm not drawing on the iPad, I just love to scribble in my sketchbook with these pencils. These are from Camlin. There is one with Apsara as well, and there are more costlier options, but these I absolutely love these ones. Yeah, and I use graphite as well, but charcoal has a specific flavor to it. Jumping to the keyboard, I use this Logitech MK240 Nano, and this is a complete wireless version. This came in a box like this, and this comes with a funny packing, let me tell you. Like, you'll feel like, where is my mouse? They forgot to pack my mouse. But anyway, point, this has a very nice key travel, but probably if you're jumping from a normal size keyboard to this, you'll feel a little bit disoriented in the beginning, but slowly and steadily I think it will be good. Jumping from Logitech to Wipro. Let's call it switching, shall we? Anyway, so this is the Wipro Garnet 6-watt lamp. This has a very flexible neck, which I have realized after using, and this has 3 very nice color combinations which I really like. My favorite is the warm one. Next comes this Venganza Lapel Coller microphone, and if I'm being honest, I have a very mixed review about this, but this is cheap, so it does the job. Let's talk about coffee now, shall we? Who doesn't love coffee? Anyway, so this is the BROLAVIYA X3, the clamp that I'm using right now, which I never had in the time of lockdown. But that time, what to do? Do it yourself. So this is how you do it. This is how I did it. All you need, one long pen, one small pen, and then you put it like this. And let's say take a secondary phone, which I never use in a long time, and you just put it like this. So you can just move it around, and wherever you're drawing, and I'll put my drawing also, as you can see on the right hand side, it'll look something like this. Let's talk green, shall we? I have 2 green elements on my desk, this one and another money plant behind the monitor, and I have 3 jokers. This is one of them, and that doesn't mean I don't like Marvel, so Captain Nick Fury. Finally, skipping few, my latest edition. That will be all for today, but stay tuned, there's a giveaway coming very soon.